Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this VW EOS. Now this is a two-owner vehicle. It's got full VW service history, as well as the retractable roof. You also get 18-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors, there's leather interior with heated front seats, sat-nav, air conditioning. The car's done less than 54,000 miles. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 2-litre petrol engine that gives you 207 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox, and if the car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.